Thank you UPDF family for joining us in today's video tutorial on how to convert PDF to TIFF on Windows. In this video guide, we will assist you in making your PDF to TIFF conversion task better. For this, you need to head to the video description and follow the link to download UPDF tool on Windows right away. Once the UPDF downloading process is completed, continue watching this video to convert PDF to TIFF on Windows. Follow each instruction carefully to avoid any hassle. Launch the UPDF, click the File tab and choose Open from the drop-down options. Then select the PDF you need to convert to image format. Afterward, click Export PDF. Choose the image option. Now make sure that you select TIFF from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Export button to save the converted file to the system. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.